This video will take you through the steps to download the student one-time codes in the assessment platform. One-time codes are unique to each student and each test that they undertake. Think of them as students' individual password into a test. School coordinators, unrestricted teachers, and teachers can download one-time codes. The first step is to select Print Student Logins. The Print Student Login screen displays. If a school has bought many different assessments, these filters can help narrow down the codes you need to download. Select the product name. In this case, we're going to choose ICAS. Next, select the particular type of ICAS test. In this case, we are looking to download the one-time codes for the students who have licenses to sit the writing test. The download list will populate with the names of the students who are going to be taking this test. The Reach ICAS One-Time Codes tab will show you students who are sitting a Reach or ICAS test. If you have a restricted teacher account and have been assigned a class, you can narrow down your results by using the Class Filter menu. Please note, however, that to use the class filter, your students must already be allocated to a class. See the instructional video on importing students for more details on allocating classes to students. Finally, select the number of one-time codes that should appear on one page. The default is set to 14. Select Download. This will generate a PDF document with each student's name and one-time code. Cut the codes out and distribute them to the students. And that's it for printing student one-time codes. For more information on printing one-time codes, see page 22 of the ICAS Assessment User Guide for online tests.